Hello guys, today we are going to make beef sandwich. So I'll be taking you through the ingredients one by one as we add them in the cooking pot. So here's my cooking pot and of course moiko. So I'm going to take my oil and add it into the sufuria. And of course I'll follow up by adding my minced meat. And I'll be leaving, I'll be trying to not separate, but make my minced meat be in smaller chunks, then cover my pot for around 3 minutes. Then yeah, let's see the process. As you can see, I'm stirring and now I'll be able to add my spices. I'll take you through the spices. We have paprika, oregano, mixed herbs, and salt, and a little bit of curry. So I'm going to add them all together into the pot. The reason why I'm putting them at this time is for the minced meat to be flavorful. One thing you need to realize is that when you put your spices at the base, the meal is always more delicious than when you're when you're adding your spices towards the end. And yeah, this is one of the hacks I learned. So I've tried to zoom in so that you're able to see how it looks like. Cover for 2 minutes, then open it like that, just like that. Then I'll now be adding in my onions. This is one red onion, and I'll be stirring it for a while. Then later on add the garlic and ginger paste and continue stirring and cover it for about 5 minutes so that you can see how the outcome looks like. To add my garlic and ginger paste. There it is. So I'll stir it and voila. I'll be adding in my homemade chili. Of course, my meals are not complete without adding homemade chili. Well, the mincemeat is ready, so we're going to go through the second segment of this video, which is preparing the sandwich bread. So yes, I will be having my sandwich bread over there, though I have trimmed the ends. It's optional though. I'll show you at the end of the video like a photo of the sandwich that I never trimmed the edges of the bread. Anyway, I am applying mayo, eggless mayo, and I will go ahead to fill the sandwich bread with the minced meat. This is a very good alternative for those people who don't like samosa because of the deep frying process. I mean, why not? As this video is coming towards an end, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. You know what? I'm here to help you make great meals, So do not forget to share it to your friends. And I hope you liked this simple recipe that you can prepare it anywhere. And as for the mayo, You can also substitute it with butter. Yes.